ever. Most interactive live stream. Oh, I didn't give you that option. Oh, man. Okay, so we should be live on 3 channels now? Yeah. I'm not worried about the 4th channel today. I am not. It's not worth the effort. Okay, let's get started. Hiya! I'm now live on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick only. I'm not going to go for 4 today because I don't want to fight with all that other stuff. I don't. And plus, it's not worth much work as it could be. So, yeah. So, let's see here. Get everything popping out here. Make sure all the chats are popping out. So, I can see everything. Kick, are you showing up? I hear you, but can I see you? Yes, I see Kick. Can I see YouTube? Yes, I can see YouTube. So all that's left is for me to see Twitch. I need to open up a window for that one. Calling my name. And pop up. Why? Say it again. Come on. I don't know why sometimes it doesn't go in if I type it in too fast sometimes. I don't know. It's kind of a weird bubble. That's why I have to double check in case I miss it. But I think I've got everything now. I should see everyone's chat on all 3 platforms now. And I can begin my project. Tonight, decided that from now on, I'm going to just keep Thursdays off for only design work. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm always testing, and I'm always breaking. I have to test, then I break. I test, then I break, and then I break, then I test, and I test, then I break, and I break, and then I test, and then I test, and then I break it. Now, I would have worked on things tied to my layout, such as the merch system, or updating my little banners down there, or finally finishing the cafe. But I promise I make something to help my mom out with recipes. So I'm creating a simple database that will allow me and anyone else to submit recipes into the database and be able to index if you have recipes by items. So like, let's say you have a pound of ground beef in the fridge and you want to know what you can make with it. You pick out the ground beef, you pick out any other things you have in it, and have them in your fridge ready to use, and then it will tell you what recipes in the database will tie into what you have available. So that kind of thingy. So yeah, it's something that I think that it will, it's going to help my mom, but it also might help anyone else who wants to create their own little hub of recipe sets. I actually got to the hardest part already. Yeah. So the hardest part is already done. That's the programming a relationship database where all of the data will be sorted out and filtered through. That's something I actually worked on last night because that part kicks butt. It really is. So, yeah. Oh. Twitch wants me to push the Plus program goal. Share your progress toward meeting the Plus program requirements with your community as a goal. I never get that many subs on Twitch anyway, so I don't think I'm going to qualify for that. I barely get a Twitch payout, so what are they talking about? But yeah, I'm going to work on that tonight. I'll be working on the basic forms, linking it up to the database, setting up the scripts where it'll pull from the database and do queries. And once all of the hard coding part is done, then I'll get to do the design part and make it all look pretty and cute. And so that's what my project is for tonight. That's going to be the project. And It's going to be hosted on the TPR website, so you'll be able to use it from there. If you actually have a login for the TPR game code giveaway system, you'll have access to the database, to the recipe database as well. So if you want to add recipes or search for recipes or rate recipes, you have that as an option. So yeah. I didn't even think about the rating part. That might actually be a totally different database system I need to add on. But yeah. So I'm going to actually use a lot of the same techniques I used to create the list, and actually use that as a way to sift through recipes. Same way we sift through the games to find the games on the list we want, we'll be able to sift through the database for the recipes and get the recipes based on the criteria. So that's what I'm doing that for. Okay. So let's see here. Go to my side menu. Hide that stuff because we don't need that right now. Unless you guys are interested in the rest of the schedule for the rest of the week. Which is, what the hell is it? I have no idea. Okay. Designing coding today. King of Fighters tournament tomorrow. Lego Star Wars on Saturday. Ace Attorney on Story Choice Day, Sunday. Fire Emblem Warriors 3 Hopes for Koi Day. Final Fantasy VII Rebirth for Final Role-Playing Game Day. Indie Game Day is a new game called Tell Me Your Story. And following week. Okay, next Thursday is going to be another design and coding stream where I haven't decided on the project yet. Fridays it's going to be an indie visual novel game. Saturday is going to be a platformer called Course Crackers. And Koei Tecmo Day next week will be Blue Reflection. Thank you. And Koei Tecmo Day on next Monday is Blue Reflection. Role-playing game day is going to be Fate Samurai Remnant. So I'm going to keep playing that to get through the end of that. Then, once I get to the end of that, I'll probably work more on Baldur's Gate or one of the other multiple RPGs we started. But I'm more interested in getting more Fate Samurai Remnant, so that's going to be part of my RPG alternating scripts. And Wednesday is another platformer game called Prodigal. And in fact, the game on Wednesday and the game on Saturday are actually both made by the exact same developer. So, yeah. They were nice enough to allow me to have access to both games, so I will showcase both games. But yeah. So that's the whole schedule. Pretty much. You can see it all there. I'll put the I'll put the whole image in my Discord after stream so you guys can see it once I've updated it and moved it over and such. But right now, I just need the, oh gosh. Yeah. I have my Stream Deck set up where it takes one image and it adds a filter to each part of the image. So it actually will isolate each part of it one by one. So I don't have to make individual images for the whole thing. I actually just use a filter. Oh, why were you so sad? What were you sad about? Huh? Huh? Normally that doesn't get people reaching me sad. What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. It's all my fault because I was late. I'm sorry. I was actually late because my Stream Deck wasn't working right, and I had to keep resetting the OBS over and over again, so it took me a little bit of time to get started. I was supposed to start at 9 o'clock, but I never start on time. How you doing, JL? So, yeah. I try to be on time, but 99% of the time, I'm not going to make it on time no matter how hard I try. Yay! Well, there's always next time. I literally stream every night. with different things every night. I am a true variety streamer, and I have a wide range of variety to go for. Wait, I'm playing. Huh? You can only pass 1/4 of the game by playing 60 hours. Huh? Oh wow. I had no idea it actually goes that long. And yes, I actually do have new ads on my channel now, so yep. I'm trying my best to monetize my broadcasts in the least intrusive way possible, pretty much. So I don't know if I'm gonna get anything out of it. I doubt it, but I'm willing to try, you know. Okay, so we could go ahead and hide that knucklehead, and let's see if I can pull up my tools of my trade. I could go for that, but I'm just going straight to my desktop. Oh god, okay, that's not it. Okay, that's definitely in the wrong spot. Okay, I think I had a button for desktop on here, don't I? I'm not sure. Another game type is story based, huh? Is another. Oh, what type of game are you talking about, Quay? I love you guys too. If it wasn't for you guys showing up here, I would have given up on streaming a long time ago. It's nice when nobody shows up that actually is the hardest ones to deal with. Pass the tracks. I guess I don't have a screen for that, huh? I guess I better make one. I thought I had a desktop command on here, but I gotta use my stream deck to actually make it. Let's see here. Do I have? Okay, so I am going to set up a multi action. Shoot, I should make it a multi-action switch. Just do it one way or another. Multi-action, not to deal with what I'm doing. Okay, what I need is... Can I show my desktop on this? Well, that's the thing. I need to show my desktop. But it's doing this mess. And that's not what I wanted to do. It's not the thing I wanted to show at all. Let me move myself over here. Get your butt over here. Okay. Okay, okay. I see this going the way. Okay, okay. Let's see what I can do. Boom. Okay, well, this is obviously my second monitor. It's making a big mess over here. And I need to set it up behind me real quick so you can see what I'm working on here. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, this is just one monitor. Okay, this is just a monitor that has all the icons for all my games. So I have them sorted out by themes, like all of these right here, or like all story choice and everything. That way, it's like I pick any, meeny, miny, mo kind of thing as to what am I playing tonight? What am I planning on playing? What do I have installed? So that way I can just look at a glance instead of having to open up Steam, open up Epic, open up Uplay and all that. I just look at the icons. It saves me a lot of time. Okay, but I need to put this on the other screen too. My YouTube screen. So that needs to show up as well. Okay, where are you? So I might get to show you guys a double thingy here. I might show you how to use Stream Deck to make a scene appear and disappear. Make a source disappear and reappear if you have a Stream Deck. Or you can actually bind this action to a macro or a hotkey. Let me see here. As soon as I find where the heck I put it. Where are you? Okay. I need group. Add group. What group am I doing? I forgot the name of the group. Set desktop. Group. what I have to do is put it's on my YouTube screen because I want it to show up on my YouTube stream as all at the same time. So YouTube can't see it right now. Oh, now they can because I just dragged it on there, but it takes a little bit of work. Okay. I put that underneath Stream Raiders because Stream Raiders is going to be on top of that. Okay. So now I have it set up, and I'm going to show you guys how I make a multi-button, multi-action thingy through Stream Deck. Get your butt over there. Okay. I have my Stream Deck, and I'm about to screw up, so let me delete that jump. Okay. This is my scene that I have for showing like what if I want to play Stream Raiders, if I want to play a PC game, I pull up that source, a console game. If it's a retro console game where it has to have special dimensions of a CRTV, I have it like that. Make myself appear and disappear, and other stuff I'm working on. So what I'm going to do is I need to go to multi-action switch. I could just do multi-action, but I usually do multi-action switch because I want a way to turn it on and turn it off. So that saves me a lot of trouble. So now I go to my OBS features, which is I can either use the bar raider ones, which kind of work sometimes, kind of don't, or I could just use OBS. Preferably I prefer OBS because it's a little bit more stable. So I would just simply drag over source visibility, and it's going to read my OBS information as it is now. I'm going to say which scene I wanted to appear on. I have 2 scenes involved with this. So this is on my side menu. So the horizontal is my side, and my source is the set desktop. Set desktop. Where in the hell are you? Okay. Okay, and I just call it H so I know it's a horizontal. And because I wanted more than the one to do at the same time, I drag another one over. And I'm going to take my scene for the VNuVert, because that's a newer version of my vertical stream. And I'm pulling up the same source on the other scene at the exact same time. So this is my YouTube, and I'm bringing up the desktop, and I just call that V. So that way, when the button is pushed, it's going to show it here, and it's going to show it there. But I'll copy that to save myself some steps and go into the mirror, the second side, paste it. I do stabby stab in just a moment, and I switch the command from show to hide. I know, Sandy, it's stabby time. It's not like stabby stab. And I do the same for the vertical source. I copy that, paste it over here, and I go to hide. So now I have a new multi-action, and I just call this display, and I might actually add an icon to identify this is going to be the monitor. So let's see, set from the icon library. See if I can find one in here. Oh, that'll work. So I chose that one. Make sure it shows up and fade it. Oh, I gotta do the other one. Okay, this is you. Okay. So now I have it set up where when I physically touch this button, it's going to show it. Oh, you're drowning in cheese! Thanks for the follow this, oh my gosh. Why did you have to be a spammer? That's the exact same spam message I saw yesterday. That makes me so upset when I see that. Oh well, I'm not fighting it. It's a bot follow anyway. Or a spam follower, just as bad. But back on topic before we do the stabby. Now that I clicked it, it's visible, but when I click it again, look what disappears. It disappears from both screens. So you guys don't see it, neither does YouTube. I push it again, and it's back. but I want some style. What if I will actually want to add some nice effects to it? Let's see, like what if I want to make it like fade in? Easy peasy. I click on it from the YouTube version, and I go show transition, choose my animation. Actually, I prefer little wipe, so I'm going Lumia wipe. My favorite is the watercolor, and click OK. Then I do the same for the source on my desktop over here. Hide transition, oh no, show transition, Lumia wipe, watercolor. No, not string vertical. I said watercolor. And if I wanted to go away, I actually wanted to drag it to the side. So I show high transition, slide to the left. Yeah, left. So it's already doing it that way. So I'm gonna do the same for the desktop. High transition, slide to the left. So now we're going to use the same button to actually, where's that thingy? Get your butt over here. Okay, I'm going to set it up where I push the button again, and look at it, it disappeared with a slide, and it comes back with a white fade. Slide, white fade. See? So now I have an official button to show my desktop. That'll save me a lot of trouble. I was not meaning to teach this, but since I had to code it anyway, I might as well. But yeah, I use a lot of interactive programs like Stream Deck and StreamerBot. I even use external sources like Streamlabs, Stream Elements, and BotRix, and actually integrate scripts from them to work with my programs. For example, you guys know how I have the Pokemon community game? I have it set up where when it actually Pokemon community games says something in the Twitch chat, it actually launches animations underneath me. So I actually made those animations to work with the game. Let's snooze this for a few minutes. Okay, so let's go and do our stabby stab. Me going back here and clicking on Stream Raiders, which I need to move under this. This needs to move under Stream Raiders. Let me move that out of the way. Get out of there. There you are. Okay, I found it. So yeah, I already have Stream Raiders set up as a screen. Let's see if we can do our quick stabby stab. Yeah, I'll make a wish. Okay, I think we only have a few here, so maybe if we do a killing field to have higher attack value, maybe that'll help. I hope. Starting battle. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab stab stabby 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 stab stab stabby stabby stab stab stabby stabby stab stab stabby 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 stab stab stabby stab stab stabby stab stab stabby stab 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 stabby stab stabby stabby stab. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Oh my gosh, I was running out of air. I wasn't supposed to go that long. I was trying my best not to crack up when I saw the whole string of monsters about to run into their death. Like, okay, we have 2 prizes available. One would be 1 Lancer Scroll, and the other would be 2 Paladin Scrolls. So if anyone wants it, let me know. You got 15 seconds. Yummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, that covers the late time. Going random. Paushi. Okay. I always check, just in case, because we have to deal with the Twitch delay and everything. That always causes problems. Okay. Well, looks like you got one anyway. Yep, that's what I do, because I know a lot of people play this game and they need certain characters or certain items to level up, so I'm trying to help them out. Okay, so we're going against what? Oh, stand by me. Okay, do I have any quests on here? Okay, 4 paladins. Oh, I guess I could use a paladin, I guess. Where's my paladin? I don't like that paladin. Can I have a cooler looking paladin in here? Yeah, let's use that one. I'm happy you do. I try my best to make it as fun as possible without being restrictive. Sometimes people over-restrict stuff or over-enforce the coziness. It doesn't have to be overly cozy, but just enough to have some fun, you know? Okay, so Stabby's all clear. As you see, there's my transition wipe. I love the watercolor mic like one. Okay. So, let's go ahead and move you guys over. Now, move my Photoshop over. Okay. And, well, I'll just go and save that. Don't worry about that later. Yeah, this is the thumbnail I use for my YouTube version. Okay. And this is my current schedule. And, see, I literally work on the schedule every day, so I set it up where all I have to do is drag it over and then swap things around. But yep, I designed everything from scratch right here. Figured the color coding would help people understand where the themes are instead of it being total chaos. Oh, of course, chaos is always what I deal with. Okay, so I was working on something else with that, but it's more of a mess. Yeah, that's my layout stuff. I was borrowing icons from that. I don't need that right now. At least not yet. Yeah, I'm still thinking about that one. Uh-oh. Let me change that back. Pretty much, practice, really. I've actually practiced everything. I've looked into something. I looked at tutorials. I looked into programming books, and I looked into training videos just to learn how to work stuff. And there's still stuff that I haven't even learned yet. Like just recently, I started watching videos about how to do things on Photoshop that I didn't know I could do. So there's still a lot I still have yet to learn, but I got enough to get the gist of what I need to do. Okay, I'll save that for later. Okay, so I don't need you right now. And I don't need you right now. Okay, so that's all set. Now, what I want to do now is create a new page. A new image to give myself a mock-up of what I'm looking for. 1280 by 720. So here's my layout. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is give a rough sketch of what I want the recipe site to look like. So I'll just take a basic color, make it I'll just make a little gradient on the background here. Just gonna sketch it. Okay, there. It's obviously not going to be the final project, but you get an idea. So, make a group here. Make a page inside of the group. Okay. So, basic thing. I want. Oh no, I don't want that. I didn't want that. Control Z. Don't do that. Okay. So, what I'm going to have in this area, just make a paint bucket, make a blending stroke, not that much of a stroke, I don't want that much of a stroke, no, there's too much of a stroke there, and like a drop inner shadow. Okay, so that will be where the picture's going to be. Add a new layer. Copy the layer style because I might need that later, so I don't have to keep doing it over and over again. Okay, box. Okay, the top box right here. Let's do a paint bucket. Paint layer style. Oh no. You're separate layer. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Paste layer style. Okay. And I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, deselect please. Okay, Control T. Okay. Can I have it set up where it will list this? Okay, another one. Duplicate that. I'm just dragging down. So this set of boxes, these 3 boxes are going to be ingredients included within each recipe. Actually, no. I don't think I need that. I need data. I need a data page, so. Oops. I didn't want to do that. Okay, hold on. Let's get the datas here. Copy you a couple times. I'm just copying and pasting it in a row here. Daddy! Thanks for the follow there, Fritzy. Thank you. I thought you followed before. Unless I misread it. I thought I saw you follow earlier while I was offline. I could be wrong, but I thought you did. Okay. Yep, I'm just making a layout for the recipe page. Just a rough draft. That way, if I can actually visualize it, it'll be easier to work with it. Okay. So. Okay, Control V. Control T. Let's reduce that to here. Okay, and I'll copy you. Control V. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Control C, Control Shift and D. We'll drag that over in a perfectly logical spot there. Control C. Okay. Okay, that way it looks kind of like a recipe card. So let's see here. Can I find that image I used before? What is that Polish kielbasa I was making? Is that where I messed up at? think I found it. Okay, I'm gonna look at the one I made tonight. That'll work as an example. So I actually made a recipe that I roughly based off of a recipe I found, but then I did some substitutions and it wound up tasting better. So I'm just going to use this as a placeholder. That's going to be within that box. Okay, that'll work. And let's add a text here. Okay, okay. Okay, name of the recipe. Control T. Actually, no, I need to paste that layer style. Because it's too tiny to see. Stretch that sucker out. Okay. That way. So what I'm doing is I'll be setting up, creating what's called an image map. So all I have to do is actually break up this image and actually use it. Oh gosh, not there. I need it here. Okay. Well, that's actually what I made. I took a Polish kielbasa and I used some bell peppers, some red onions, some rice, some barbecue sauce, and some corn and carrots, and made it into a pan skillet meal. So yeah, that's what I made tonight. So it was similar to what the recipe said, but I swapped out their potatoes for rice since I already had rice already available as a starch. Okay, so go here, Control V. Should be able to go here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, here. Well, I want this to be ingredients. And obviously I'm making this text a little bit too big because it's going to be scrollable, but I don't want it to take up too much space. So probably about there. I'm tempted to, but most of the layouts I make are mostly box based. I'm not really good at making it like workable with everyone else's style. I actually did make one. Oh, wait a sec, I forgot. I do have a feature on my giveaway system where I actually can give away a free commission for me to make a layout for like a stream. And someone actually did get a layout from me, and they used it for about a year, and now they want to get something else from somewhere else, someone better than me. Okay, what else we need to know? Okay, since I want to make sure I have important data put in here. Oh man, Control Z. I need to place you here. Control V. I need to see if it's possible to have additional searchable data, especially if you're looking for healthy recipes such as calories. So a lot of people want to know that, like how many calories does a recipe have? Actually, could I put that at the top? Oh, that's even freaking better. Hell yeah, let's do that. If I put that on the line, it would take up less space. Put it near the edge here. That still needs to be a little smaller. My problem is I can't spell the word recipe. How's a recipe? I'll copy and paste it. I'll just copy and paste it because I can't figure out. I can never spell it right. Obviously, I need to change the positioning of that a bit. Okay, let's go for that. I need some more better music here. Where's my music at? I need to switch it up because I like the song, but it's putting me to sleep. Let's see if I can find some other songs that are good. Oh, golly, something. It's my hair. My hair scared me. How's a move? Yeah, move always wakes me up. Well, I'm gonna play some song that might have some Euro beats. How's that? Initial D had a lot of Euro mixes in there. Okay. So calories. Actually, servings actually needs to be first, but oh gosh, dang it. Okay, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Group those together. Okay. Okay. Move those out the way. Move that on top of the stats there. There we go. Well, you got a chance to make a rumble. I know, but some people do. Like since I'm making it for my mom, she's definitely gonna want to look into that. So if I can get the calories in there as a field, I'm gonna do it. But also, sodium is an important thing that could be added. Actually, no, servings. Actually, wait a second. Serving count is more important. The most important thing is servings. Servings. How many servings can you get out of it? Okay. Then calories. No. Control Shift and V. Thank you. Sodium level. Because that's another factor. Especially if you have heart issues when they have sodium. And Control Shift V. The other important factor is time. Time. Like, how long is this going to take to make? That's a very important factor. Like the prep time and the cooking time. And then the cooling time, too. Okay. Okay, this one needs to be, actually I need to move these guys down a bit. Break it down a bit. Yeah. When I had it spaced out so I have more room to put the words on top there. 152. Okay, and this one is going to be date added. Okay. Shift B. And added by. Oh, dang it. Yeah, it's a little bit too low there. Thought so. Added by. Okay. And last one, steps. The most important part is the steps. There's something hiding under there. Yeah. Where'd it go? I lost a block. Okay. So yeah, that pretty much will be the whole layout for the most part. How many servings, how many calories, how much sodium, how much time it takes, the name of the recipe, the day it was added by, the ingredients which will be indexable, and the steps. So that's going to be the recipe card itself, which is going to be the hardest part. So this is going to be a project that's going to take a little while. So let me do one part at a time, okay? So I don't have the script for adding an image yet. I forgot about that. Okay, so let's go open up my Dreamweaver. Okay, file, no. I'll do it in PHP. Okay, and dang it. My glasses are getting dirty. Let's see here. So when I do coding in PHP, most of my stuff is all in code like it is here. And yes, I'm using the very old version of Photoshop, Dreamweaver, because the newer versions suck. The newer versions are so much more object oriented, so it's kind of hard to really dig deep into the code and do the stuff I want to do. So because it's so object oriented and having the program do all the work for you, it's not as useful for me. So I need to do it from scratch. So let's see here. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a page to draw the information from the database. First thing I'm going to need to do is save this image. Let's hide that image though. Okay. I think I need to make this a little bit lighter though. Can I change the opacity of all these guys? Actually, can I make them all brighter? Let's see, can I lighten? Screen would be perfect actually. Yeah, that makes it a little bit easier, because that way I can use dark text inside of the boxes. Okay, export. Go to my web page menu. Assets. Okay, my web design portal. Web art. Yeah, I do a lot of coding. Okay, I'll make a new folder here. I'll call it food, because that's actually going to be the whole website. TokyoPopRocks.club/food is what it's going to be. Okay. Card.png. Okay, so I just made the simple I can remember. Now I'll import it in here. Insert image. Not that. Oh man, where the hell is that thing on here? I don't know. Where the hell is that thing? I don't know. Okay, because I don't have it hosted online, it's going to be a little harder for me to find out where the hell I just saved the picture to. Oh, man. Uh-oh. Did I just open a Micoverse? I wasn't ready for Micoverse to be open right now. Oh, dear. Yeah, I gotta read all that stuff. Okay, let me close it up for now. I'll worry about that later. Okay, gotta close it up. Okay. I need to find out where that file is. I have in my folder. Where is my folder? What have I done? Okay. Okay, where the hell is that image at? Okay. Assets. I misplaced my picture. I misplaced it. Come on, where's my asses? I need my assets. Okay. It always disappears on me. web art, food, card. Okay. So now I have a path to it because this is using like Windows XP like menu system, so it's a little trickier to find. I can't use like Windows 11 searching methods here. I have to use how we used to do it in Windows XP. I don't care. I don't care. Don't worry, I'm gonna upload it manually. Fine. I'm not worrying about that right now. That's not an issue right now. Okay. So, here I have an image that we're going to have for our source. And the reason I really like this version of Photoshop, of Dreamweaver, is because I can actually create elements on top of images. So, that's very important for what I'm about to do. So, you saw me design all of these. Now I'm going to insert image objects. No, what was it? Layout objects, AP div. So I could literally take a div layer, just like it was in Photoshop, and put it onto the spot I want it to be. So if I want a blob right here to be solely dedicated right here to only go as far as that box, and I can name it what I want. It's going to be named what? Name. Let's be name. And there we go. I now have an element that I can actually paste data into, and I'll put up an extra variable because I'm going to use a PHP script later. So $, our name, or $name. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same for you. Date added, insert, AP div. Okay, and your name is going to be what? Date. Uh-oh, did I click something wrong? Yeah, I did. Okay, $date. Okay, so I know what data is going into that box. Can I zoom it in? Can I see if I can zoom this in a bit? Let's see if I can filter this a little bit here to make it a little bit easier to read. Let me take out some of the top here. Yeah, I don't need all that extra stuff at the top. I'm trying to show you guys the bottom here. Actually, I do need to show the bottom. I just need to make it bigger. And biggin. I can get rid of the right, though. Yeah, I don't need all this stuff to the right. Right, it's not gonna, it's wasting a space here. So, I'm just cropping out all this extra stuff we don't need so you guys can see everything better. Hopefully. Because everything we're going to be working on is going to be right in this major area. Okay. Okay, and let me make it bigger so you guys can see it on both platforms here. Okay. That you guys can see a little bit better now. I hope. Okay, there we go. Much easier. Okay. Okay, so now I need to add an AP div for the added by. Insert layout objects, AP div. Drag your butt over here. I wasn't dragging. Okay, fit that into that spot where I want to have that data. Okay, name the div layer. It's going to be named added. And now I'll put the variable that's going to appear there. $, added by. Okay. Now I need insert layout objects, APDiv for the image, which I have. That's going to be the harder script because I'm not good at making Python scripts, so I have to use the same Python script I used on the lists. Because uploading scripts is a pain in the ass. Because there's so many ways it can be exploited, and I don't want to do that. Image. Okay. Insert. Image. I'm just going to say icon. That's an icon. Because it's going to be a totally different system for that one. Because not only do I have to show the variable, but I also have to show the script that's actually going to take that variable and turn it into a displayable image. Okay, congratulations, Starl. I'm glad you got to finish it. Yep, I'm just making the recipe database here. I started off with a sketch and making a rough layout for me to format the variables into. It's a lot easier with me using the older version of Dreamweaver because it lets me use things like APDiv, which is inaccessible in the current versions of it. Which is why I'm kind of happy I pirated this junk. Okay. Servings. Okay, and the div for that is also servings. Stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab. It looks like it's time for stabby. Stabby stab. Stabby stab. Oh my freaking god, there's a lot of people. Stabby stabby stab. Stabby 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 stab. Stabby 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 stab. I need to fix my script on that. Stabby stab. Stabby 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 stab 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 stabby stab stab. Okay. Okay, we got our place on the board. Sandy, stop talking, and let's go to Stabby now. Start the battle. Stabby, 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 stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab. Oh, I'm sorry, Gujin. Hold on, I'm sorry, I missed that earlier when you said hi. I think I was on the other screen when you did that. I'm sorry, I missed you if you're still here. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting every time I have to use text, it messes up all my layers and stuff. Okay. Let's see what our stabby's gonna be here. Oh, man. Okay, the prices you have up for grabs are Paladin Scrolls or Gold. Hey, does anyone need a special one? You said you needed some gold, didn't you? Still need gold? Yep, figured that. Okay. Okay, does anyone need the Paladin? Nope. I guess go random then. Okay, looks like Jesse Stein gets the Paladin then. Okay. Get on to the next. Oh, I get some gold too. Now, do I finally get enough Warrior Scrolls? Please let me get enough Warrior Scrolls. No, I don't need those. I need Warrior Scrolls. Jeez. Like 1,000 of them will work. Oh, this looks hard. Let's do this one. It looks kind of scary. back to where using my Actually, let me use my Nimbus Centurion. Boost the defenses of nearby armored units and resist 30% of rage damage. Yeah, let's do you. Okay, I'm gonna put the booster right here. So you can put it everywhere you want, but booster's gonna go there. Okay. Now, before I change that, I need to fix something real quick. I might as well fix it now. I saw there was an error in my script for the for my Stream Raiders thing, and I need to fix it real quick. Let's see. Okay, it shows it here. It shows it, but then it puts some stupid stuff into the title here. I want to change it to that. Okay. So. Okay. Change that to art. Okay. So what I did was I changed my multi-action script. Oh, gotta change it to type, game type. I'm setting it up where every time there's a Stream Raiders battle, it will change my category to Stream Raiders, and when I'm back to art, it will turn back to art. So I just did that multi-action for that. So every time it's Stream Raiders, will go back and forth on that. Gotta do that. Okay, now I should see y'all chat. I'm sorry for anyone I missed on Kick before early. I'm sorry. I'm not used to this. Okay. So let's see here. Next step is the div layer for calories. I really need to find out how to work with accordions, because I really would like to make a accordion thing, because it would look like a real recipe card thing. Ah. No. It doesn't need to be green bulls. Calories. Okay, I changed the CSS element of that div layer to say the word calories. And I'm typing in $sign LORES, because that's going to be the data that's going to be pulled from the database, put in there. Next, insert layout for AP div. Okay, this will be if the amount of sodium in each recipe. Okay, and sodium. Okay. Insert layout objects. Come on, I need to resize it accordingly. Time. And the variable that's going to go into there is $sign prep time. Okay. And ingredients. How long is that going to be? Since I'm going to be using a UL list with a clickable database, it will probably be best if I just do a long one. Insert layout objects. Start from the bottom here. But this one I might have to have scrollable. Is it possible to make this one scrollable? Nani? No, actually it's fuchsia. Okay. Okay, and one more div layer. Insert. Oh, macaroni! What the hell? Why did it crash? Oh, shucky ducky, did I break it? Oh my gosh, did it break? God freaking damn it, somehow I closed it by mistake! Holy fuck! You piece of What the hell did I hit? Oh my gosh. God damn it! God damn it. Fucking damn it. You know what? Oh, you guys got the idea what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do this another way. This. What the hell happened to the image? Okay, this has just pissed me off now. I'm really angry now. Okay, so fine. Okay. Okay. Card. Okay. So, well, you guys pretty much got the idea of what I was trying to design here. So, what I'm going to do now is skip a couple of steps and go straight into the coding. I know it's going to be still kind of weird, kind of sus, kind of what the hell is she doing, but yeah. I'm not playing that. Let me save. It's already saved. So, I'm going to look at my image here. And I'm just going to set it up to pull the data from the database. Okay, so let me pull up my database here. Obviously, gotta be careful not to show too much data because I don't want you guys seeing my login to my database. Okay. Because I already made the tables for it here. Okay. So, okay, so what I've done is I made 3 relationship tables here in my database. The first one is the core recipe that's actually going to link everything together. So I have 2 recipes in here. The sweet and sour kielbasa and the sweet chili garlic sweet and sour sauce. I also have a database of steps that's tied to each recipe, and a database of not that one. That's a different database. A database of all ingredients, the measurements, any details about the ingredients, which recipe is tied to, what type of food it is. Oh, you guys can see all that because that's not. I just shrink it down. So far, you guys can see. Yeah. So yeah, you guys can see all that, and I have it set up working linked. Hey, I just copied it from someone else. Okay, they typed it in wrong. Okay. I'll fix it later, okay? This is just a filler, okay? Jeez. Actually, there's an L in there. There's an L in there. Hey, I'm just going from what they put in the recipe, okay? It's not my fault they spelled it wrong, okay? But pretty much I set it up where it's easy to add ingredients and put details on each ingredient. So what I'll set it up for, like what if they want to know what recipes they have that they can use pineapple juice for. So I do a search for a food name, do a search for it, and it'll tell me that there's pineapple juice. A half of it is used in the sweet and sour sauce recipe. So that's what I'm going to be doing on a form-based system. But the search part is not going to be an issue right now. I'm more worrying about the actual mechanics of it. So what I'm working on now is gathering information about the recipes first. So my goal is to make everything tied to sweet and sour kielbasa appear in this. So what I'll do is I'll do a search. Where ID equals 1. Gonna go. And I will take this, which is the SQL query for it, and I'll be able to use this as the query that I'll use to drag it from the database. So this is the search string I'll be using to pull up this information from this string. So let me put this in here. $sign. Okay. Core query. Equals. So I'm actually going to include that within an SQL script later. So I need to pull that data, but I also need to, since I know that this is going to be recipe number ID number 1, I'm going to need to pull all the items from that recipe. So now I'm going to search for anything that's tied to recipe ID number 1 and have that as a array, which is going to pull up all this data. Okay, the search string for that will be you. Of course, I could actually change the where it says number 1. I could change that to any number variable I want it to be, or I could have it have other search strings that will tie into it as well. And what else do I need? Steps. I need to pull the ones for the steps. So once again, I do another search for anything that deals with recipe ID number 1. But extra options, I want to make sure that order by phase, which is my ID for what the phase number is, ascending by phase. That way the data will only pull it up based on what steps it is. So it says select variable from foodstuffs where recipe ID equals 1, ordered by phase ascending. So as you see, it ascends the phases of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so each of these strings have their own command for me to pull in here, and I have to think. Oh my god. First off, I need to get one of my pages up here. Open my FileZilla and get some database links in here. No, we're not doing that. So I need to get the structure I have for making a search. First I have to have a section to link it to the database, which I believe is in here. And look at the one for the list, because that will actually give me the data I need right away. Come on, give me the data. Okay, so first off, I need to have it set up to pull up the configuration file I've written for my database, which I'm not going to show publicly because that could actually put my site in a lot of danger. So I'm just going to keep it right there. It's linking to my database link, which I'll fix the path later. So it's linking to the database, and I'm going to have it pulling up data now. Okay. Where's my... What is this? Okay, I might have to look at the other one. I pronounce it SQL. Because some people say SQL, but I say SQL because that's what I read. I'm reading the word SQL right there. Okay. I think I can look at that. Okay, so... Okay, there we go. So right now I'm looking at my script for my displaying the list, which will show less... Won't show anything sensitive, so... I got that. Okay, so... Okay, I got that in there. I need to find out how I actually have it linked to my database, because I forgot. It's been a while since I've connected to a database. Okay. I think it's this. I think it's that, but let me see. I use a lot of weird script words in mine. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can pull this off. Okay. Now, what was my format? I forgot. Dang it! Okay, there it is. There it is. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for that part. I forgot my basic... It's in there. I just had to find it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have our opening bracket. It's telling me that now it's a set. It's the while bracket. So let's close that up so I know where that closes. And the if result bracket needs to close up there. Okay, so put that right there so I know where that closes at. Okay. So I have our query, and I'll put that right here where I had number. Okay. Okay, so I already chosen what it's going to do. Now I need to identify what variables is going to be and assign variables that's going to be in here. So first query we're pulling up is, let's go back to our recipes. Okay, got the ID already. It's going to be identified. So I need the variable for name, steps, ingredients, and servings. No, servings. What else did I say I needed on that image? I still need to add that in, don't I? Okay, hold on. I'm thinking here. Okay. What did I just add into here? Servings, calories, sodium, and time. I need to add those into that database before I'm thinking about it. It's structure. Okay, that says structure. So I need to add a couple more tables to this table. because I don't have that extra information that's going to be pulling out. So I am going to add 3 after servings. Okay, 3 new fields. Okay, the first field is calories. Do I have calories already? I don't know if I did that or not. I think I do. I think calories are already added. But calories, sodium, and total time is what I need to add. Sodium is going to be a variable character. And it's going to be a numeric amount, so probably only need like 5 letter spacings. Total time. Let's go time. And that'd be a variable character. Variable character. It doesn't need to be that long, so probably 25 characters should be long enough to say how long it is. Like hour or so. 1 space HOUR. Probably for 2 numbers. Probably it should be okay with just 7, but just in case, or it needs to be longer. XXX space MINUTES. That's 11 characters, so yeah, 25 should be more than enough. Actually, a member of our community is giving me website on her website, so she's covering the cost to host it. But we're using what was it? Let me see if I can find the data for it. I think there might be a referral code that I can give that might help her out. Let me see if I can pull it up. 1 second. Just give me a second. I have to search on another screen here. There you are. Let's see here. Let's see. Because if referring you to their service gives them a discount on her hosting, then yeah, I'm willing to do that. So let me copy this, and I put it in the group chat here. Here you go. Oh my gosh, that's not what I meant to type, but okay. Okay, well, there's the answer. I didn't say all that. I just thought it was copying the paste of the URL, but apparently the URL copied a lot of other stuff, so I don't know. But yeah, there's the web address. It's a referral link, so she could earn some free hosting out of it if she gets people signing up for it. I don't know. But yeah, there's all the data. It'll tell you the cost and everything associated with it. Okay, so let's get back to here. Yeah, I don't want to expose all that, so I'm gonna close this up. Some things I do not want to show on screen. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Got the total time, date added, and added by. Do I have fields for the date? I think I have one for date, but let me double check. That's gonna be a variable character. The longest name I can use. I need THE underscore GAMING underscore ARCHEOLOGIST. So underscore, maybe first space. 25 letters. Okay, so it needs to be at least 25 letters. No, I went for the who in our community has the longest name. Okay, whose name always breaks my scripts? the gaming archaeologist. So I went for the longest name possible. That always breaks my scripts and prepare my scripts for the. No, even your name is smaller than theirs. I mean usernames. I never add real names. Come on, I'm not adding real names. I'm letting people use their screen names. They don't need to use their real names. Who do you think I am, though? State? Ah. Okay. So let's see here. I don't have a date field on here. I need to add date. So I need to add entry at the time. And so I'm going to go after time. I have to add it by. One field is going to be a date variable. And I'm going to set it up to be a time stamp. That way it will be automatically populated. Current timestamp. There you go. There we go. So now I have a wider range of variables to pull from for the basic information. Okay. So I need to actually copy each one of them as they appear in here for my script. Where's my... Okay. Where's my stuff? I forgot my stuff. Where's my stuff? Where's my text file? Where's my text file? Why in the hell is my calculator open? Oh shit. Save. I had to save. I'm not losing this again. Well, TPR takes up a lot of work, okay? These are all tables tied to the game code giveaway system. All of them. And all the other even the multi-stream page I made, not multi-stream, but the multi-view page I made ties into this database as well. The link, what was it, the system where I can have people submit their clips, that is a whole database table by itself. So yeah, I've added a lot to the site. Okay, so what was I looking for? Oh yeah, I was looking for the structure I used for the data. Okay, I need to get them. Okay, not insert. We're not doing an insert yet. This is just pulling out data. Ha! Well, I could have actually put it all in a single table, but it's a lot easier for updating later if I have each table dedicated to its own data and then have a single variable link each table. Like, for example, the recipe ID is going to be the core that links all three of those tables together. How you doing, T-Mart? How are ya? Yeah, we're coding stuff today. And I forgot how to code. It's been so long since I did an edit on this page, so I forgot what I was coding. Oh, wait a second. I opened it on the new page. No wonder I can't find it. I was wondering, where the heck is the script for my code and it's missing? Not that. I need list display. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, there's the format I needed. Okay. Variable plus that. Okay, got it. Okay, so let me paste this in here. I'm going to change that variable. Okay, core. I'm going to change core. And okay, that way I know what the structure is. Okay, now I'll list all the variables. I hope I got it right. It's been, oh, no. You're not con 2, you're con 1. I hope you're con 1. Oh, shit. One second. I'm on a roll here. Let me finish get these variables, damn it. I need to finish these variables first.
Stabby, stab. Stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby,
No,
stabby,
I'm not copying. God, I'm just trying to copy.
Stabby, 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 stabby,
I'm copying these guys. So I have to remember what the variables are because I'm gonna need that later.
stabby, stab.
Sodium. Time. Added by. Ah, damn. Okay. And date. And I call this nutrition info, but since I have nutrition info being split up, I'm probably just going to use that as a data field. Okay, so let me save that. Now we'll do the stabby. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, though. That's the thing. Can I make this even bigger? Yeah, I just make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so a stabby real quick. Let's go for a higher killing field since that's my strongest attack. Let's go murdering. Stabby, 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 stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab, stab, stabby, stabby stab, stab, stabby, stabby stab, stab, stabby, stabby stab, stab, stabby, stabby stab, stabby. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, we have gold and healer. I'm guessing, Quite, you need the gold still? I wanna live life, I wanna die free. Yeah, I was bluffing, but I can't. Thought so. Okay, anyone want the healer? Going once. Going twice. Going thrice. Going random. I'm smart like that. Kinda what you're thinking and the secrets that you keep. Don't forget the lies that you heard about me, about me. About me, about me, about me, about me. Life is insane, life in the fast lane. My full tight and never coming back again. Yes, right. Okay. Okay, Stabby's all set. Yeah. Okay, so we got the data we need, and I need to accompany the layout to pull up the data. So put core in front of each one of these to show that these are coming from the core, which is the string they have going on here now. It's a lot easier if I just do it this way. The question is it before or after I need to identify it? Okay, I've converted all of those to show the variable name, but where's my notepad? Is that before or after it identifies the variable? I forgot. Okay, so the local variable is being set up first. Okay, got it. So that'll be easy. So all I have to do is go $name equals that. Steps. Outside food equals core ingredients. Actually, no, I just use word ingredients. I just have to remember how to spell it because I'm a horrible speller. I could use that. I could actually use the core in other parts of the field if I wanted to, but sometimes I have problems pulling it up, or sometimes it might not work outside of its loop. So I just set up a backup one just in case I need an extra variable. So it's identifying every data that's pulling from that table. $sign. $sign. Time. That way it'll be a solid variable that works across the board without me having to use the top. But I do wonder. Let me do something just in case. Let's see if I can pull it up outside of the circle. I'll change this to info. Okay. Hey, it's like we caged animals. Okay, save that. And I want to test this out by doing an echo outside of the loop. So echo. If my calculations are right, it's going to say the name of the recipe on the page. But I forgot something very important. I forgot to identify this all as PHP. That changes a whole lot, doesn't it? Heck yeah, it does. Okay, what did I forget here? Line 31. I messed something up here. I forgot to put the PHP in there, so that messed up everything. Oh, hello. That's where the problem lies. It's right there. Okay. That clears that mess up. Which means I don't have enough loops here. A loop's not changed. Oh, wait a second. What if I need this inside that loop? No. Was it that? Something's wrong here. Okay, let's see where I made the mistake here. I've included it. I have the string. I have the drawing the data. I have the if. Okay, and I have the while. Okay, let's see here. Let me do something I use to keep better organized here. If. Okay. Okay, there's my while. And my while is going to be this bracket. type that there. Sometimes I do this to keep track of everything that I put in there and what's inside of a loop and not. Because sometimes I misplace things a lot. Okay, so this one will close this arc. That will close this arc. So what I need is that to be still within the result or outside of the result. I don't know. I should still be able to do it. Okay. We have that. Why is that there? Why are you giving me a problem here? Is there an extra apostrophe in here somewhere? Let's take this out and let's see what happens. Whatever it was that line. I don't know what it is about that line that's causing the trouble. Oh, I don't have an equal sign. That's what it was. That's what it was. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to upload card.php to the site. Just to test it. If I can find out where in the hell I put it. Where the hell is that thing? Where is this thing? Can I just drag it into FileZilla? Okay. See if I can pull it off. Hopefully it works. Card.php? Was it card.php I saved? Yeah, lowercase card. Okay. No, it did not work. Okay. So obviously I did something wrong. It is not working. Why is it not working? Okay, so let's try this. Let's find a word will echo that. Will it paste it here? I'll find out where the error lies because I think it might be in here. I think I might have missed something with the database link, but we'll see. What is this? Stream assets. Okay, pop websites. Yeah, I changed it. Okay, it's there. So why is it not showing up? Refresh. Okay. You face source. See what I did wrong. Okay. I see what you're doing. Okay. Where's title at? Let's move this down a bit. Let's move if I cut this out. Take it out. And I'm going to take this text and see if I could change that script to change the header. Echo. Okay. Okay, and just to make sure that the script is working, I'm going to echo a horizontal line. I think it might be my database pool that's messing it up. First, I'll save it. Yes. Can I refresh it? Let's see if it works. Hope it works. I hope it works. Let's see if I refresh this, see what happens. Okay, it did not read the text. It did not read the text. Nor did it do a horizontal line. So what's going on here? Let me check something real quick. Why is it not showing any data? Not even my horizontal line. Refresh. Wait a second. Am I putting this in the wrong folder? No, I'm not. Let's look at the file here. Edit. Make sure that the one that they is uploading is changing as it's supposed to be. It's there, but it's not showing there. Okay. You wanna fight? We're gonna fight. Okay. Okay, let me think here. Hi, Roger. I'm trying to remember why I messed up. I broke something in my script, and I'm trying to remember what the hell did I break. So I'm trying to look at my older scripts and see where the error lies. I think it might be just a connection to the database that's messing up, but let's see. Let's look at what's it called? DB link. DB link. Do edit. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, that was scary. Oh, it is Con 2. Okay, that's what it was. No, it is Con 2. Okay. It is Con 2. Oh, crap. Wait a second. Okay, let's see if I can change this a bit. Everything up to the whiles where I'm having the issue. So I'm going to change some data around here. Okay. I think it's a query that's probably causing the problem. It says core data. Well, instead of using winner, I use the word core. Oh. Okay. Fine. Grab is equal to base, so that's supposed to be base. I can't spell to save my life here. Core. Oh, there we go. There we are. Okay. Base. I think that should fix it. My head hurts now. My head is really hurting now. Let's cheers to us. Gonna get victorious. What we say because. Okay, process that cue. And cross my fingers. I hope it works. Nope, still didn't work. I broke it again. I broke it again. What the hell are you showing? What is showing up here? What's not? It's not showing. It's not even showing my horizontal line. Okay. So let's see here. Let's see where the error happens here. Control X. Oh, wait a second. Okay, let's do this. Maybe it's because it needs to be in the body. PHP. Let's just see if it's possible just to get that printed. If I could just get the... I'll find out if there's an error inside of the loop or if it's outside of the loop. So if it shows an HR here, then I know what the case is. Gollies. Oh, it hasn't updated yet. God damn it. It didn't upload it. God damn it. God freaking damn it. That's why I didn't change, because I didn't upload it. Still didn't work, though. Fine.
Wake up.
What that? Oh, thanks for the resub, Quay. If you could tell, I was wondering, what the heck is out here to start Sailor Moon for? I wasn't playing that song. I was like, when did I start playing Sailor Moon? I forgot that's my alert sound. I totally forgot. Didn't you sub on me on Kick already? Oh, wow. Well, thank you. That's the thing you said twice. On 2 platforms. If you can tell. What the heck is wrong with this thing? Why is it not showing my echo? Okay, you want to fight? We're going to fight. What are you showing me here? Let me see here. Something here that's not working here. Is there any errors in my scripts? Nope, can't see that. Okay. I know how to fix this sucker. Okay. I know exactly how to fix this now. Okay. What if I just take out the variable and just put in the query itself? You just have the whole query inside of here. Okay, obviously I can't do that, but can I do this? Just have the whole variable, whole thing in there. What will happen if I do that? If it equals greater than 0, do that. While it's doing that, while it's showing the data, base equals number of rows equals 0, greater than 0. If there's at least one Then assign these variables to these tasks. Oops. Let's get rid of all this header stuff real quick, because this pissed me off. We'll worry about that later. I just wanted to show up. Okay, I don't care about the body HTML stuff. Just show the shit, okay? Just show it. The lowercase name. See, it tells me what variables is already defined on here, so that makes it a lot easier. And then a copy of this. So if my calculations are right, it should show 2 horizontal lines with the name in between. So let's see if that works. Okay, card. I know an easy way to update this a whole lot easier that I forgot all about. Card. Where's card at? I just saw it. I just saw it a second ago. There you are. View edit. There we go. Now I have a copy of it here where I can actually edit it and save it directly in here. So let's see. Delete all that. Here's all that. Save. And it'll automatically upload it when I save it. So let's see if that works. Let's see what you're showing. Oh, shocky ducky! We got it! We got it! We got the data! Hell yeah, man! Hell yeah! It worked! Holy shiza poop, I forgot all about all this stuff. Oh my gosh! My head hurts now. My head hurts so much. You're so damn picky. You spell it right. I thought I did spell it. Oh, I before I-E. Is that all it is? I had the I and E misplaced. Sheesh. So picky. Fine, I'll update in the database. Macaroni and fried cheese. The what needs a slash? What? What are you talking about? So you keep saying slash. I don't know what the hell you mean by slash. So do I just copy and paste how you wrote it in there? Kielbasa. God damn it. So Kiel. What is it? What is that? What the hell is that? Really? Really? You're gonna make me use a Unicode letter in here and mess up all my entire script now because of a Unicode? I can't use it. I can't. It's an incorrect string value. It won't recognize it. I can't do it. I can't. It won't let me. See, it won't. Look. It won't because it's not. It only uses a Unicode system here. I can't. I'll see if I edit it. Let's see. Let's see if I can change the structure of it, but I don't think it's going to let me do that. Oh, Latin Swedish. Maybe I have to... Oh, no. Cancel. God damn it. Okay, I get it. God dang it. Just let me check. I know that. Just let me change the page. Okay, so let's see if I can change the collation from something other than Latin English, which I don't think is going to work because I need Unicode. I don't think it's going to work. I need a Unicode that works. Obviously, the code, the database recognizes Latin characters, okay? I don't have a standard Unicode script. And I can't put a whole exception for one letter. I can't. It has to be something that works with all the letters that I put in there. Let's try this. I don't know if it's going to work. I'll try. Is it case sensitive? Case insensitive. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll find out. If you just break my database, I'm going to kick your ass. I changed the format to Unicode. Oh my god! Look what the hell you made me do! Look what the hell you made me do! I can't. I don't even know if I can fix this or not. God damn it! All my letters are changed to Chinese kanji here. That's not the Unicode I wanted. God damn it. Oh, shit. Good thing I just changed one of them, but god damn, I can't. Oh, God. See, there's too many forms of Unicode. I can't specify it on one. I have to stick with Latin because that's what the binary reads. What the hell is the original one at? God damn it, I forgot what the original one was. Hopefully I haven't lost anything. See, now look, it turned into a question mark. I'm sorry, it had... No, it's a Unicode. Unicode does not work in this situation. In order for me to have it in there, I have to use it per language. And I can only have one language per field. So, no, I can't have, like, special symbols from other cultures in there. I just only have Roman letters in order for it to work. So, yeah. That's probably why the source that actually got the recipe for it had it as an L. Because I can't change it into anything else. I don't know what the other formats are. God damn it. You almost destroyed my entire database with that one letter. Let's leave it like that, okay? And let's go kill everything in sight. Placement cap. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, 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 stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab stab stabby 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 stabby. Macaroni and fried cheese. Okay, we have available Lancers, Centurions, and Gold. Does anyone have preferences? Okay, I guess Starla said Gold first. Okay. Quay wants the Centurion. Okay. Okay, there's two Lancer Scrolls available if anyone wants it. Okay, going random. Okay, Zudalose gets that. What I get? Don't be scared, don't be scared, I'm calling for you, don't be scared. Tell me, what do you see? And I believe this next one's going to be our last battle of the night. What is this? Ah. Okay. Okay, and I'll say that this will be the last battle. Thanks for helping out. Okay. Okay, battle's all set. Okay, so we managed to force it to pull out some data from the database now. So let's get the rest of the data pulled out. So it did read our extra variable here. So it pulled out my variable for name. Good. Okay. So now I'm gonna save it. And now we're going to go back to our design real quick because we're going to actually implement go back onto our design format. Insert the image that we had before. Where is it? In food? And food. I can't remember what I had of him last time. I know you're there. Look into your eyes, tell me, what do you see? Okay. So first we're going to change some formats here because I don't want to have a whole bunch of extra space. And I think it's way too big now. Going to page properties. And I'm going to take the margins down to 0 here. So I'm getting rid of all the extra space on the sides of the page. So it'll be absolute center of everything. Okay. Now I'm going to save it. Okay. Now we're going to insert our div layer again, layout objects, AP div, and we're going to test to make sure that this information will show up on this box right here. Okay, and we'll do a split here because it'll be easier for me to work with this. Where are you at? Okay. Okay, we need to move you down because I need this to be after it's pulled up all the data, not before. That's why I'm having a little bit of an issue here. So we're cutting that through, cutting it, put it near the base. And what we're going to do is put the image there. And I'm cutting you. And where I said echo name, I'm going to put that right where that HR was. Where that was at. Actually, no. I take that back. Don't need that copy HR. We just need to do this. Save a lot of space by doing all this. A single line that will do the entire pull. So inside of here, it'll be here. And save. Okay. Where's my file at? And I need to get the image put up here. High code, no hope, Glyco syndrome. I'm gonna upload this to the website. As soon as I find out where the hell I put my FTP file. Yes. Upload that. Okay, and go back to our browser. And let's refresh it. Well, it got it, but the image is not in the right spot. So, where does it want it? Okay, I know what to do. Insert. Okay, create directory. Food. And I'll upload it to food. Okay. Okay, and let's go over here back to our file here. Okay. Rename that. Okay, you want to fight with me? You want to fight with me, huh? Fine. There's no food there. Where the hell did you put my image at? Why are you acting so stupid? Just put the picture there and just use it. Just freaking use the image. It's not that hard. Just use it. Damn. Sheesh, why be so hard? You want to fight with me? You want to fight? You want to fight? You want to fight with me? Fine. I'll put him in both spots, you piece of crap. You want to fight with me like that? I can improvise. Bakachanayo. Okay, refresh. God damn it. View page source. What the hell are you doing with my image? Where's my image? You piece of crap. I did not say put it there. Did I say put it there? No, I did not. You piece of shiza poop. I did not want to put it at the root. I did not say anything about putting it at the root. Jeez. Okay, you want to fight? We'll fight. I can fight with you too, you piece of crap. No. Okay. I cannot spell to save my life. God damn it. Why you gotta be such a piece of shit right now? I hate this thing sometimes. Okay, I'm just gonna do it this way. Copy. That's my notepad. Hold on. Let me update this. Work. There we go. There we freaking go. Now we got something that we can work with. Obviously, I need to make it bigger. Much bigger. Okay. So the text is showing up, but it's tiny. Oh, you guys can't see it because I cropped it too much. God dang it. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I had the crop off too much. So yeah, it's showing up now. It's just too tiny now. So let's see here. So what I'm going to need to do is two different things. First, I'm going to have to set up a relative path. Because this has pissed me off. I'm just going to leave it at card.png, okay? I'll find a word. I'll just put it where it needs to be. This is right now. It's pissing me off. Wait a second. Why not they do that in the first place? Sandy, you dum dum. Easy fix. Easy fix. That'll fix it. I just uploaded to the root. That'll fix it. Okay. So what we need with this div, we need to have the text increased to a higher size. So. I'll do so. It's I just do this. Pika. Will Pika show up? Okay, good. Give me Pika. And now I can change the layout of the text. Bold. TSS. I want the size to be much larger, so I'm looking for a 24 pixel. God damn, shut your ass up. And I hate the default font. That shit sucks, so I'm going for Verdanda. And align to the left. And what I do is I take all those attributes and get rid of that right there and paste it here. So that whole div should have that cleared. Control S, Control C, copy that into my script, my uploadable script. Hopefully this will work without much errors, I hope. Okay, let's see if it works. Why you got too many things open again? Okay, so let's refresh it. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! I'm freaking... I tell too much. It's freaking working! It worked! It worked! It freaking worked! It worked! It worked! So all I have to do is just tie it to the same style. Oh my gosh. Oh God. See, that's much better and easier to read. See? See? Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Macaroni and fried cheese. This thing's kicking my ass. This is just for the displaying. I haven't got to the script where I had to add the data. That's going to be a long part thing to worry about. Jeez. Okay. Date added. Let me see what they actually added in here. Look at the code. Okay. So if I have strong, it's actually going to do it automatically. Okay, that's a good thing to know. Okay. Yep, I can deal with that. So if I use strong, it's going to do all those things for me. Good. Okay. So the attribute for strong is going to change all of these. So I'm going to do this. Do I have a data in the database for the date yet, or do I need to add that in manually? We'll see. I wonder. Where's that letter you gave me before? I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna see if I can force it to change. I wonder if it's possible where it looks weird in there instead of the other thing. I'll try something stupid. I might break it, but I just want to experiment. Now that I changed it, I wanted to have a timestamp. Okay, because I need a timestamp to show up. And I need to put this other data in the right fields. So servings we know is 6, so we don't need that. Serving size 1. Per servings. Calories. Calories. Did they have calories in here? I don't have one for calories? Oh. Shit. I don't have one for calories. I thought I had that already. I'm missing one. And what is going to be cause me trouble? Oh, God. Okay, does it say sodium? Okay. Okay. Yeah, sodium is what I need the milligrams for. They said the time for this one. I don't remember the time. I really don't remember the time it took to make this one. I'll make a common space. That way it'll be a little bit easier to read. Okay. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if it works. I just updated it. Let's see what happens when I have it on here. Will it read it correctly? No, it won't. Ah, damn. I have no choice. I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. At least it has a date now. Yeah, dealing with multiple languages is really hard to deal with in a database, especially when your database does not accept unified Unicode. There was a format that I used to use that read not only Japanese letters, Korean letters, and other ones, but I don't know what it was anymore. Let me check one more thing. Is there anything else? I'm gonna try you. I'll look for Unicode if I can find it. Oh, was that general? I don't know. Let's see if that works. We know that can be changed. Nope, that's not it either. God damn. What is with this? And trying to change everything into Chinese. No, I did not want Chinese. I thought it was general. I said general. So just a general Unicode. That's all I want is a simple Unicode that works across the board. Nope. God damn. What's notepad mean? I have no idea what notepad means. Nope. That's not working either. What's been? Can't be any worse than what I've already seen. So let's see. Something happened. Let's see if that can replace that letter yet. God damn, I lost it again. God damn it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll find out. Wait! Wait! It worked! It fucking worked! But it's gonna be harder for people to search for it, that's for sure. It freaking worked! I finally found a Unicode that worked! But it's gonna be hard for people to find it, search for it, unless they actually use that particular character. But the question is, will it work on the database though? Will it work on this page? Is the question. Let's find out. 5. Let's see if it works. Nope, it won't work. It may update in the database, but it's not going to update in here. I can't help it. I can't do it. no idea. Wait a second. Wait a second. Let's change that. Character set UTF-8. What did I use in the database? What did I use? It's a long shot, but let's see. God damn, I had too many things open. Let's go back to cart. And I'm going to add in not going to be UTF-8, it's going to be this UTF-8. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to find out. Bodies, gas, stars. See if it works. Nope, it won't let me do it. I can't do it. I tried changing it, but I had to swap it out with the L because it's not reading it, see? Even after changing the Unicode in the web, on the browser, on the actual document, it still won't read it. So something messed up with the database and conversions that I don't know yet. I know sometimes when I put in Japanese characters, it has a different conversion rate, different conversion work in it. But otherwise, it's going to be a question mark in here, so I better put it back to the L. So let's try refreshing it now. Yep. It'll have to do. Yeah, because they're actually adding a lot of Asian spices to it. Because it's actually adding the chili, garlic, sweet and sour sauce, which has its own individual recipe in here. Oh, you can't show it because I had to scroll down. God damn it. Yeah, see? Okay, so my next field I need is a date. So let's get if I can get that to show up on here. Let's go back to the basics. Insert, layout objects, APDiv. Okay. Date stamp. And I'm going to need a strong. I'm going to copy this just to save myself some trouble here. And the variable we're going to need to pull is date, I believe. Yep. Okay. I update the database here. Okay, back to the browser and see if it works. Should be able to pull the date in this right spot now. Where'd I put the browser at? Why did I just place that browser? Oh, cool. Craftopia got another patch. No wonder I had a huge upload. Let's see. Let's refresh. Something not right. Why is it a bit smaller? What attribute am I missing with that one? Something in my layout is not matching. Let's go back to color. Okay. Okay, so what's the difference between name and strong? Width, height, Z index, left side. 24 pics. It's supposed to be strong, so why are you acting like it's not strong? Well, let's change the page properties until font family Verdanda, and the font size 24 pixels, and the text align, I want that to be all to the left, and that should do it. That should, if I do it for all of those things, then it should work. Save, copy, upload. In it for the chase, not in for the thrill of a moment.
Stabby stab, stabby stab.
I don't know why you so small.
Stabby stab,
Why are you so
stabby
small?
stab.
Why is it so small?
It's
It's only 24 pixels.
Stabby stab, stab, stabby stab.
Why is it not
stabby
24
stabby stabby
pixels?
stabby stabby stabby
Why you have like a boo-boo head?
stabby 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 stab stabby 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 stab stab stabby 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 stabby
Page properties.
stab 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 stabby stab stab.
Take out the strong. Can I get rid of the strong on both of them and see what changes? Yeah, we don't need that. Just get rid of that junk. Because this strong is just pissing me off. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'll check the stabby in just a moment. I just want to see if I can get this to work. Well, at least they're both the same size. I'll deal with that later. As long as it shows up, that's all that matters right now. I'll figure it out. I might just have to change each individual size on each level and then fight it out that way. I just want to get the data up here, that's all. Oh. Okay, so this is where Stabby. Oh yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to wrap it up, so I won't be able to finish the project today, unfortunately. Okay, let's do our last Stabby of the night. Holy shit, it's just a lot of people. Okay, it is. I would be your anything. Stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, 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 stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, stabby, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab stab stabby stabby stab stab stabby stabby stab stab stabby 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 stabby. Oh my god. Holy freaking macaroni, my mouth is hurting. Okay. Last chest of the night. Okay, we have available 1 musketeer or 1 200 gold. Really? I thought Quay needed a lot of gold. You sure don't want to let Quay have it? Quay was trying to build up a lot of gold for something. Okay, fine. Okay, Starling gets the gold. Okay, who wants the musketeer? Anyone need the musketeer? Going once. Going twice. Going thrice. Going to sleep. Yeah. Okay, Akemont gets that. Okay, fine. Okay, well, that's the last stabby of the night. We'll continue with this for tomorrow. So I'm close some stuff up here. So stream rate is going off. And display is going to be going off. And let's recap what I'll be doing for the rest of the week with the schedule. Okay, so tomorrow is our fighting game tournament. So if you have a copy of the King of Fighters 2002 Unlimited Match, please let me know in the Discord as soon as possible that you would like to participate. If I could get at least 3 to 5 people to participate, I'll have the tournament. If not, then we'll just have an open lobby and not even care about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, we're going to have Saturday, May the 4th. It's going to be Star Wars Day. I'll be playing through the Lego Star Wars saga. I don't know if I could play multiplayer with this or not. Probably with the what's it called? Remote play together, perhaps. But maybe I'll be able to invite people to play with me. I don't know. I'll find out when I get the opportunity. Because I haven't had a chance to play it at all, really. Okay, Sunday we're resuming our story choice with the Ace Attorney. Monday, going back to Fire Emblem Warriors Street Host because we still got to finish that damn Ada Guard story. Tuesday, back to Final Fantasy VII Remake. Wednesday, indie game, Tell Me Your Story, a cutesy story about a kid and their grandmother. And now we're working to look at next week. Next week, Thursday is going to be design and coding, which I guess we'll have to finish working on this if I haven't finished it offline by then. Friday, an indie game, visual novel, Still Joking. Saturday, a platformer, Curse Crackers. Sunday, next Sunday, Danganronpa 2 resumes. Monday, Blue Reflection resumes. Next Tuesday, Fate Samurai Remnant resumes, which is actually going to be I'll be swapping back and forth with the RPG story until we finish the end of that one. And Wednesday, we'll be doing another indie game called Prodigal. So that's all of the games that are lined up for the entire schedule. So yep, you see guys, see the whole schedule right there. I'll be putting an image, I'll be saving this in the Discord so you guys can see what the schedule is for the rest of the 2 weeks. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay? Oh, I forgot to switch it out. Okay. Okay, there we go. It's fixed now. Okay, and I guess guys get ready to wrap things up, huh? Okay, so let's see here. What options do I have here? I'm so sleepy. Do I have enough people on Kick to raid anybody tonight for once? Oh, of course not. Why are you working UI and PS, huh? Because that's how I design my UI. If I designed I was looking in Kick, I didn't see this earlier, so I'm asking the question now. Why did I work UI in Photoshop? It's because that was just supposed to be the basic layout. It was an early sketch, so I will be modifying later. I was just trying to get the basic shapes of everything to work from there. And it's easier for me to draw it in Photoshop than to try to make it in tables and Dreamweaver. Especially since I have to use PHP. PHP is a little bit harder to deal with than for making a design, because you have to do it entirely in code. So it's easier for me to make the image first and then align the text where I want it to appear than having to deal with other factors and such. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the broadcast in several places here. First, I will stop the broadcast to Kick.
Bye-bye, Kick. Bye-bye.
Okay, next up, I don't know if anyone came to YouTube, because I don't think I saw any postings from YouTube today. I think I saw something. Oh yeah, I didn't see you, Derek. When did you pop in there? I missed you. I'm sorry, Derek. I usually catch you, and I must have missed it because you might have said something while I was on the other screen. I'm sorry. Hello, Mutant Dream. Again, you're coming right when I'm about to wrap it up. But yeah, today's project we were working on is a recipe site. I'm creating a recipe site from scratch. And it was kicking my butt for a while, but I finally got it to work. Get that. Okay. So yeah, it works now. I just gotta gotta make it bigger. The text is so freaking tiny. Why in the hell is the text so tiny? I don't get it. I don't know why the text is showing up so tiny. It's driving me angry. It really is. It's making me quite angry right now, because look at this sucker. Wait a sec. Can I show it? Yeah, can I show it? Look how tiny this thing is. Look at this. It's nice that it's showing the data, but it's too tiny. I didn't want it that tiny. I said I wanted it to be 24 pixels, not 12, not 10. I don't get it. So I gotta make it bigger. Or at least in that field I need to make it bigger. I might need tinier text for steps, but not that tiny. Jeez. I made all this space for nothing. Macaroni and cheese. I gotta get like that. Now that I think about it, I could actually change some stuff around. Because I think I could actually have the calories, sodium, and stuff all within a little square within the area and take up less space. And then just have the date added by at the bottom of it, since that's not really as important. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that. But we ain't got time for that now, but I think that's what I'll be doing. Got that out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the broadcast to YouTube now. So if you're watching from YouTube, I hope you have a good night. And bye-bye.